and namaste to everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So let's have a look at today's puzzles. Today's puzzles are based on a very general and interesting topic, odd one out. In my first puzzle, there are four numbers and you have to identify the odd number out of these four numbers. While in the second puzzles, there are four figures and you have to identify the odd figure out of these four figures. So before I give you answers and before I start with the explanation, I would like to give you a minute to think about the answer and then we can start with the explanation. So here we go. Okay, so that's almost a minute. Now let's see our first puzzle. The first puzzle is which number is the odd one out? So the numbers given to us are 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 2 by 10 and 2 by 5. If you will look carefully in this puzzle, you will see a very interesting pattern going on with numerator and denominator. In this first number, the numerator is less than the denominator. In the second number, the numerator is greater than the denominator. In the third number, the numerator is less than the denominator. And in the fourth number, the numerator is again less than the denominator. So if you will observe numerators and denominators for the following figure, for the following numbers, then you will see that only the number second, that is 5 by 3, has numerator greater than denominator. And when you will try to solve this, you will find that only one fraction out of these four fractions gives value more than 1. And which number that is, which fraction that is, which is 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 is the only fraction which is giving you your value as greater than 1. If you go into more detailed maths, these are known as proper fractions and improper fractions. So proper fractions are those fractions whose results are less than 1, that is where numerator is less than the denominator, while improper fractions are the fractions whose results are greater than 1, that is numerator will be greater than denominator. So clearly the number which is odd one out of these four is 5 by 3. I hope your answer was correct. If not, you have understood the logic behind this puzzle. The second figure is also the same one. This is just written in Spanish, so you can just ignore while the question was simple that which figure is the odd one out of these four figures. So let's see. If you see the figure A, you will see the figure A is divided into 9 equal parts. The figure B is divided into 8 equal parts. The figure C is divided into 8 equal parts. And the figure D is divided into 8 equal parts. So, which gives us to our answer, that is the figure B, where the figure B is just divided into 8 equal parts. You will see the figure A, C, D are divided into 9 equal parts, while figure B is getting divided into 8 equal parts. That's why figure B is going to be the odd one out of these four figures. So I hope your answer was correct, and if it was not, you have understood the logic behind this puzzles. These puzzles are very general puzzle and are just there to improve your general reasoning and aptitude. I hope you have enjoyed doing them and you have learned the gist out of these puzzles. Thank you, have fun and enjoy learning.